Cece. This is just one of my alter egos. It is really Estella, and if you don't know me, I am Estella Macy, and today I'll be showing you how to achieve this drag makeup look. It's kind of like one of those trying to follow tutorials. I'm trying to follow a Valentina. Valentina is an amazing drag queen, and I love her. So I tried to follow one of her makeup tutorials that she posted. Vogue posted with her as a collab, and yeah, it's like me trying to follow it. I think I followed it pretty well. I don't look like Valentina, obviously. By the way, my boobs did not just grow like to double D's in a week. Like, I just stuffed them with literal like tights. So anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first step is to glue down my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush all my... Kinga, what's up? What's up? I'm just gonna try to brush it as much as possible. So it just kind of like applies it upwards. So we're just gonna do that. Now he puts foundation on his eyebrows. I just need a beauty blender. Stop stealing the spotlight, kings. Get your own YouTube channel. Ooh, what if I do make a YouTube channel for you, girl? Maybe I will, okay? Mwah. Next he does his contour, so I'm just going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin palette. And we are back. Alright, so now I'm just gonna dust off the baking. Wow. So next thing he does is his eyebrows, and he starts off by doing little dots. I got a brow liner. The Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and I'm just gonna use the shade Nooner because it's like about the brown that it is similar to the brown that she uses. In the video, he says that he uses a lip thingy. So I'm just gonna use this because this is like really similar to the one that he uses in the video. Valentina really fills in the eyeliner. So with that being said, I need to get my good eyeliner. So it goes out to about there. I feel like low-key this might be a waste of eyeliner for me, so I'm just gonna get black mascara because I don't want to use all of my eyeliner. I'm just gonna use my mascara to color it in. Alright, now the eyeliner is done. So he does another round of contouring. We are going to go in with the Naked Skin palette except for with these. So I'm going to go in with this color and this color. The next thing that Valentina does, she does her blush. Oh yeah, also for blush I use the Tarte Party blush. I don't know, got it at Sephora for my birthday last year. And highlighter, I'm just going in with the Shapeshifter palette, and I'm just gonna use this little highlight right here. I've used so much of it. It is gorgeous. And now it's onto the lips, so we're just gonna use this lip liner from NYX. I just got these. Guys, these are like costume lashes. They're pretty long, so I'm just gonna put these bad boys on and see what happens. Alright, well I'm just gonna completely change into like a suitable outfit for this because we all know I need the correct outfit. Alright, so that is an end to this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Hey King, come here. Come here. Woo! So my drag star name is Valentina. For a beginner, I think I did pretty well. But definitely leave a comment down below on what you think. And yeah, like thank you for watching this video. This is like a really fun but really long video to make. Like it was over an hour doing my makeup, so yeah. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in the near future, and if you haven't subscribed, then you should subscribe right now. Subscribe if you like this makeup look, if you like Valentina, if you like me, like just subscribe. I have been so overwhelmed with like just how many subscribers I've been getting in like the past few days. Like I've been getting over 50 subscribers in a week, and for me that's a lot so far. Yeah. Alright, well I guess I will see you in the next video. Alright, bye May Stars.